Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video we will do a fun experiment about making different colors. First we will fill the cup half with water and add 1 scoop of milk in it. Now I will add 3 different colors in every cup. In the first cup I will add 2 drops of red color. In second cup I will be adding 2 drops of blue color. And in the third cup I will be adding 2 drops of yellow color. And I will mix it all. Here I have mixed all the colors in the different cups. Now we will be taking red color cup and add 2 drops of yellow color in it. And we will mix it with the using stirring stick, and we can see we are getting a new color which is orange color. You can also add different colors in it and make new colors. This was a very basic experiment for primary and secondary colors. Thanks for watching my video. For more videos, please subscribe to